So today I'm here to let you know, inform you that you are now involved in the apprenticeship program with JCPS. So welcome and congratulations.
No way.
Yes, ma'am.
We're at Fairdale High School and I just got accepted to the JCPS apprenticeship opportunity. I'm really serious about being a teacher and I think that this is going to really jumpstart my career journey.
So they start as a junior. What they're going to do is they're going to start taking dual credit classes. And once after that, for their junior year, they're going to be going out 2 days a week and they're going to be volunteering at a different school, elementary or middle. And then their senior year is when they're actually going to go out into the area that they are truly interested in. They're going to be there working 5 days a week and they're going to be getting paid by JCPS. And then their senior year, they will finish it off their spring semester actually working in their high school in the special education. So that way they're getting the whole robust of what truly education is about. We have one student at Central High School. We have one student at Moore High School. We have 2 students at Wagner High School and then 2 students at Ballard. So we have a total of 9 students who are starting off the first cohort for JCPS as a teacher apprenticeship.
Yes, that's a huge deal.
Tell me why.
Well, it pays for my college, first of all, which takes a really big burden off me and my family. And we're the first ones in JCPS to be able to do it.
I don't know, I feel really proud of myself. Like, this is something that, like, I've worked for like, a long time, and, like, it just feels successful. I'm really proud of myself right now.
I'm just very grateful and I'm so happy.
They're going to be going into the schools and getting hands-on experience for mentor teachers who's going to be teaching them all about the different strategies to classroom management and actually how to differentiate instruction. So getting the hands-on experience from teachers in this district is going to help build up our students to become the best future educator that JCPS needs.
There's a nationwide teacher shortage. It affects JCPS as much as anybody else. And so this is an investment from our district in our future. And so, you know, in a couple years, these students are going to come back to us and we're going to be able to employ them full time. And these are 9 fewer vacancies that we're going to have, you know, in a couple years.